Being a teacher can mean many things.
We just want to say thank you so much for everything you do for us during the school year, during the summer, and during this crazy time.
A teacher is someone who makes us feel welcomed, safe, and respected.
Thank y'all so much for everything you do. I can't tell y'all how much I appreciate y'all, and the school just wouldn't be the same.
Someone who encourages creativity and in the face of adversity.
Can't hear you. Can you hear Isabella? No. Isabella, we can't hear you.
Overcomes obstacles and welcomes problems that are worth solving.
All right, so here we have your formula, 1/3 equals big BH.
That is why we are proud to say we love our teachers.
Y'all make the greatest impact in our lives, and we appreciate y'all more than you could ever know.
And we believe that our educators have the power to create lessons and experiences that will last a lifetime.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.